You can log into Zoho Sheet by sheet.zoho.in. Once you log in, you'll come to this home page. In the home page, we have recent tabs. Here you'll get all the recent documents. Coming to my spreadsheet, here you get all the documents which have been created previously, earlier one and today's one. And moving to shared with me, here you'll get all the documents which has been shared with you. And moving to favorite, you can set your document as favorite by clicking star mark. And coming to my templates, here you can create your personalized templates that can help you to save your time. And we have trash option. Coming to upload, you can upload the spreadsheet or else you can import from Cloud Drives. Moving to bottom, here we have chart option, channels and contacts. Now let us move to new spreadsheet. In the new spreadsheet, we have file option. Here you can create new spreadsheet or templates. You can open recently open documents and import from desktop or the cloud survey and save as a spreadsheet to your cloud drives. And you can download the document based on your requirements. Moving to move option, here you can move the document to your My Document for collaboration purpose. And you can change your document name. Audit Trail helps you to trace the activity of user by entering username and date, sheet, and range. You can trace the activity of the document, and that is auto trial. You can create versions and you can view the version history. You can share the document and spreadsheet settings and properties. Moving to trash. Moving to editing option, we have all the editing, undo, redo, and cut, copy, paste. And now let us move to view option. Here we have freeze option and hide and unhide options, notes, and we can turn on to night mode, which will protect our eyes, and insert option, and we can insert the row, column, cell, and a sheet. And we have image option. We can import the image and hyperlink, and you can have functions. You can define the name that can help you to pull the data from main sheet to other sheet. And we have note option, comments. You can add your comments and receive the comments. You can change the notification settings of comments, and you have checkbox and pick list. Moving to format. In the format, we have conditional formatting cells as a classic and color scale, icon set. You can manage rules. And then we have bold, italic, and as common features like merge, alignment, and wrap text. And coming to data, here we have sorting option from A to uppercase and lowercase, and we have filters to search easily, and data validation option. You can create validation, manage and highlighting validation, and you can clear the data, and you can log your document to protect. And we have text to columns, and you can link the external data and spreadsheet. You can publish the range which you wish. And coming to tools, here you can create a form by pick and drop like this, and you can have VBA macros like create, and you can record and edit and manage, and goal sequence solver. You can go to Zia to know more about your document. And we have new option, that is spell check and personal dictionary. And moving to right hand side, here you can search anything in the sheet, and you can share the document and collaborate with your team by entering email IDs and group names. And you can send notification through the mail to your team and give access like read only, read and comment, read and write, co-owner. And this is the sharing option. Moving to other option, here we have auto save function. This is the auto save function of the whole sheet, which automatically saves each and every changes made in the sheet. Plus, this function also creates multiple versions for the spreadsheet behind the screen. So at any time, you can view the previous version of spreadsheet simply clicking on the autosave message. Here you will get all the history of your document, and you can save as main sheet. And coming to bottom, here we have Zia for to know more about document, and we have turn night mode option. Zoho Sheet is the next generation spreadsheet application for better collaboration. Create interactive spreadsheet, link to an Excel file. You can bring your data alive with race charts. In the live webinar, you can use number formats and custom formats. And data validation allows us to define certain restriction to the cell and to validate the data. And for that, you need to select the cell and then go to data validation and configure. And you can also set alerts. Auto trial helps us to trace the activity. And you can receive the comments like this, and you can add your comments by right click on document. And macros helps us to automate the repeated tasks. To process that, you need to go to record macros and create macros. Once you've done, then you can place the button where you want to automate tasks. In the live webinar, you can collect and analyze forms responses using Zoho Sheet. And you can also insert custom functions, mathematical and financial functions. You can build visually engaging spreadsheets. You can move the spreadsheet files to Zoho Sheet from other cloud drives like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox and Box. This is all about Zoho Sheet, friends. Thank you for watching. If you wish to try, please go to the link provided in the video description. And if you have any queries, please send us a mail to team@unlockthenext.com. Thank you. Have a great day.